Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard with the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this information with you. We are offering to you our 2020 convention class. What do I mean? I mean the class we were going to teach this year at the conventions, we're going to offer it to you online. Now, what are you going to get in the kit and what are we doing and all that kind of good stuff? Well, you are going to get enough products to make these 3 cards, and there's tons of technique involved. Let's look at what you're going to, let's look at the cards first. So first we have this cute little dragonfly card, and it has all this fun stuff on it, and it says thank you on the inside. That's one. Then we have a donut folded. So we're really known for our shaped cards. This is A2 in size, and it's going to have a cute little inside like that. Then we have what I'm also famous for is our Flip It cards. Flip It cards are really fun because they're interactive, and not only are you going to learn how to make this, but you're going to get to decorate it as well. Now in the kit, you're going to get the products that are cut out enough to make those cards. Here's the Flip It, there's the extra piece, there's the backing for that one. You are also going to get a full Made in the United States stamp set that goes with this class, and you are getting the 2020 class stencil we will use in this class. Also included are 4 sticker sheets. Now I know these don't really look like much on camera, but these are all die cut, but they're sticker sheets and they're blendable cardstock. So in class we are going to be blending inks on these and having a lot of fun. So any die cut pieces we didn't die cut for you over here, they're going to be in here to make these cards. Also, you're going to get an embellishment kit and a ribbon, depending on which kit you get. Well, all the kits are going to get one of these, but yours might vary, so they're going to be a little similar to this or these. You're also going to get the idea cards, so you're going to get up close personal information on those cards that we're going to make in class. And just for fun, we threw in 3 clear envelopes so you can keep your cards safe. Now we are really excited about this. It's going to be a ton of fun. If you want to, you can also upgrade your purchase to get the actual dies themselves. So here we have the die fold it. Here is that dragonfly A2 size card. And I don't even have the right picture, but this is the flower Flip It. So those are also available on our website. Now you'll need a couple other items to make these cards. For example, you'll need glitter, you'll need adhesive, you'll need inks, and a blending brush or blending sponges or anything that you use like that. But we're going to have so much fun in this class. Now you're going to want to go to the stampsoflife.com and click on special events. It's up there at the top. Just click on special events and you'll open that up and it'll be right there. You can order that and get it to you ASAP. The sooner you order it, the sooner you'll get it, and then you'll be ready for our fun class. So you're going to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and click on special events. And I can't wait to share this fun class with you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.